Hi, the day reminiscing the day I was given new phone.
Hello guys, good morning. It's That's Perfume here again. This morning this is my long-awaited parcel. I am going to do unboxing a new delivery. Okay. Okay, this one. It said a booklet of important information. A booklet of information. Okay. This from Vodafone. This one. Now, there pala. This is an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay. You know guys, I've been waiting for this since November, but I keep refusing. You know, because
now I've been using this phone now for the last 2 years, and I'm waiting for the iPhone 17. Hopefully.
I think about it.
Anyway, thank you very much for watching.
My birthday on 29th is my birthday son, so I thought that will be good. So here it is guys, let me open it. Cool. Here is, I choose to have purple. Here iPhone 14 Pro Max have 3 cameras. Quite nice. It's quite big. Quite big. There. In here, I haven't opened this in front yet because I haven't bought a screen protector. So here you are guys. As you can see, there is no charger, so I need to buy a charger, you know, USB. This one, they have only this little wire, but you know, to put somewhere in a socket. I don't know what do you call that, but I need to go out and buy something for that. Okay guys, here it is, iPhone 14 Pro Max, 1 terabyte. This is 1 terabyte. That's it. Thank you for watching.